Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check which applications have access to your files and folders on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit, tap on privacy and security. Once you're here, you want to swipe down again and click on the files and folders. And here are going to be applications that have requested access to files and folders, and you are going to have a little switch next to them if you want to give them access to the files and folders or not. Let me show you. Maybe it is going to work maybe not in the photos, maybe contacts. As you can see right here, you are going to get this little switch also in the files and folders if you have the application that have ever requested access to files and folders. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.